When you search for exhaust fans for your kitchen, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan. The Comfort Zone 9-inch 3-speed reversible twin window fan caught my eye right away. Priced at just $41.67, it's a bestseller with a solid 4.1-star rating from over 5,000 reviews. If you want a versatile solution for airflow that suits both your kitchen and living space, this is worth a serious look. The whisper quiet setting is perfect for late-night cooking or working in the home office without distractions. Plus, it has a manually reversible airflow, so you can easily switch from pulling in fresh air to expelling stale kitchen odors. It provides 272 cubic feet per minute of airflow, which is quite impressive for a window fan. Now, some users did mention that the fan could be a bit noisy on the highest setting. Here's the thing though, if you're using it during the day when background noise is present, it might not be a big deal. But if you're sensitive to sound at night, consider that when making your choice. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible fan for multiple rooms and want to control the airflow easily. Skip this one if you're looking for a fan strictly for the kitchen and need something more powerful. At this price, it's a great deal for its versatility. Now, if that noise concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HG Power 8-inch Kitchen Exhaust Fan. The HG Power 8-inch Kitchen Exhaust Fan is a powerhouse priced at $47.49, boasting a solid 4.4-star rating from about 1,600 reviews. If you need serious ventilation in a kitchen or garage, this fan is definitely worth checking out. It has a metal construction for durability, which is ideal if you want something that will last. Plus, at only 53.5 watts, it's energy efficient, so you won't see a huge spike in your utility bill. It also features an 8-foot power cord, making installation a breeze. However, some users noted that it can be a bit louder than expected. But here's the thing, if you're using it in a garage or workspace where noise isn't a huge concern, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This fan is perfect for you if you need robust ventilation in challenging environments like garages or attics. Skip it if you're looking for something quieter for a small kitchen. For the price and performance, it offers fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a compact solution. Product number 3, HG Power 6-inch Exhaust Fan. Next up is the HG Power 6-inch exhaust fan priced at just $35.14. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's another strong contender in the kitchen exhaust fan category. If space is tight but you still want efficient ventilation, this one could be your go-to. It operates at just 38 watts, ensuring you won't waste energy while still getting the job done. The durable metal construction means it's built to last, and the 3.3-foot power cord allows for easy installation without complicated setups. Some users mention that it may not be powerful enough for larger kitchens. Here's the thing, if your kitchen is average-sized and you're mostly cooking lighter meals, this fan should meet your needs perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly and efficient exhaust fan for smaller spaces. Skip this one if you have a very large kitchen or need heavy-duty ventilation. It's an excellent value for the performance it delivers. If you like the compactness of that one, wait until you hear about my next pick. Product number 4, COMFEE Range Hood. Now let's talk about the COMFEE CVU30 W2AST Range Hood, priced at $69.96. With a 4.4-star rating from around 1,700 reviews, this hood is designed to improve air quality in your kitchen. If you want a sleek option that blends into your cabinets, keep listening. What's really neat is that it's ductless and ducted, so you can choose your installation method. It comes with 2 high-quality filters, including a reusable aluminum mesh filter, which means less hassle and more savings in the long run. Plus, the stainless steel design is both stylish and easy to clean. However, a few users mentioned that the suction power could be stronger. But if you're mainly cooking light meals, I don't think this will be a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, low-profile hood that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this if you mainly fry or grill often and need higher suction. For the features you get, it's an excellent buy. Now, if a range hood isn't quite your style, wait until you hear about my next pick. Product number 5, Shinek Window Fan. Finally, we have the Shinek Window Fan at $53.99. This fan has a 4.2-star rating from 2,400 reviews. If you're looking for a flexible window solution, this one's worth your attention. With 450 CFM airflow, this fan offers 3 modes: drawing in cool air, exhausting hot air, or facilitating air exchange. The expandable panel fits windows from 23.8 to 37 inches, making it adaptable for various window sizes. Plus, it includes foam sealing tape for optimal performance. Some buyers did point out that it requires batteries for the remote, which isn't ideal. But honestly, once you set it up, the convenience of remote control might outweigh that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and ease of use in a window fan. Skip this one if you prefer a fixed installation. For its features, it's a solid investment for any space. Now let's summarize what we found out today. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic exhaust fans. The Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan for versatility, the HG Power 8-inch for power, the HG Power 6-inch for compactness, the stylish COMFE range hood for design, and the Shinek Window Fan for flexibility. Each one has unique benefits depending on your needs. So whether you're looking for heavy-duty ventilation or a simple window solution, there's something on this list for you.